The world of filmmaking and content creation is constantly evolving, and the next chapter in this journey is set to be marked by the arrival of the Sony FX3 Mark II. This isn't just another incremental update in the lineup of compact cinema cameras. No, this is a significant leap forward that promises to elevate the capabilities of filmmakers, content creators, and solo shooters across the globe. If the rumors and insider reports are true, the FX3 Mark II is the camera that many in the creative industry have been eagerly awaiting. When Sony first introduced the FX3 in early 2021, it was a bold move. Unlike its predecessors, the FX3 wasn't just a rebranded alpha camera, it was something entirely different. The FX3 bridged the gap between Sony's cinema lineup and its mirrorless alpha series, making it an ideal solution for those who wanted cinema-quality video in a small, portable package. Equipped with a full-frame 12.1-megapixel sensor, stunning color science, S-Log3, and remarkable low-light capabilities, the FX3 quickly became a favorite among travel creators, documentary filmmakers, wedding shooters, and production teams that prioritized mobility. However, despite its impressive specifications, the FX3 wasn't without its limitations. The absence of internal RAW recording, along with the lack of open gate recording, meant that creators often had to rely on external recorders to achieve these features, which added to the complexity and cost of using the camera. These limitations were felt keenly by professionals, as Panasonic and Fujifilm had already integrated these advanced features into their own offerings. Now, with the release of the FX3 Mark II on the horizon, Sony is addressing those shortcomings and taking the camera to the next level. Let's dive into the key upgrades that make the FX3 Mark II a potential game-changer in the world of compact cinema cameras. One of the most exciting upgrades in the FX3 Mark II is the addition of open gate recording in 3.2K resolution. For those unfamiliar with the term, open gate recording uses the full sensor, capturing every pixel and every line. This means that filmmakers can shoot one master clip and crop it later to fit various aspect ratios, widescreen, vertical, or square, without losing resolution or quality. This is a